Hello student, greetings from Indore Public School. Hope you all are doing well and stay safe at your home with your family too. In last lecture, we had completed till chapter number 2, that is linear equations in one variable. In this lecture, we will start the new chapter, chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. This chapter is very important for us because the concept of this chapter we will use in higher classes, in 9th, in 10th, and that carries maximum percentage of that syllabus. So now in this chapter basically we focused on that topic. The key points of this chapter is first, what is polygons? We will discuss. First, we briefing the whole syllabus of this chapter. Polygons, classification of polygons, diagonals. What is diagonals? Convex and concave polygons, regular and irregular polygons, angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Angle sum property of triangle we already studied in class 7. Sum of measuring of the exterior angle of polygon, any polygon का sum of exterior angle कैसे find करेंगे. Kinds of quadrilaterals. In kinds of quadrilateral we will discuss in quadrilaterals family so many names are there: trapezium, kite, parallelogram, square, rectangle and rhombus. We will discuss of this shape, characteristics and property of this shape. Elements of parallelogram. What is the elements of parallelogram? Angles of parallelogram and diagonals of parallelogram of this shape. Now, before starting what is polygon, we will discuss some important concept we used in that type of chapter. What is curve? A figure traced on a plane surface without lifting pen or pencil is called curve. You can draw anything like this. This is called curve. A figure traced on a plane surface without lifting pen or pencil is called curve. Now, types of curve: a closed curve and open curve. Closed curve means a curve that starting point and ending point are same. That means any curve that whose starting point and ending point are same is called closed curve. Like, we will start from here. And ending point are, starting and ending point are same. So this is called closed curve. This is also called closed curve, etc. So many examples you can draw. Open curve, a curve that starting point and ending point are not same is called open curve. Open means khula. Like this. Like this, etc. These are the examples of open curve. Important point related to simple closed curve. What is simple closed curve? A closed curve which do not intersect itself is called simple closed curve. Do not intersect. Starting point and ending point are same. That is called closed curve. But do not intersect. These are the examples of simple closed curve. Not simple closed curve. That means a closed curve which intersect itself. These curves that is closed but intersect itself. These are the examples of not simple closed curve. Now, polygon, important point. Polygon, what is polygon? A simple closed curve which is made up of line segment. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. That means line segment means you can't say this one is a polygon. This one is not a polygon because this one and this one is a line segment, but this one is a curved line. That is not a line segment. So this one is not a polygon. Examples of polygon: curve that are polygon. The shape this is called polygon. A simple and closed, not cross to each other. Starting point and ending point are same. So this one is simple and closed. Curves that are not polygon. वैसे कर्व जो पॉलीगन नहीं है, that means they are not simple. Already we discussed previous. They are not simple because they cross each other. So these are the examples of curves that are not polygon. Important point regarding polygon. Smallest polygon is a triangle because with the two sides we can't draw a closed figure. With the help of two sides we can't draw a closed figure. With the help of three sides we draw a closed figure. That is under the polygon condition. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment. Curve close होने चाहिए. Smallest polygon क्या है? Triangle. Three sided figure made up of line segment. सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट पॉलीगन का नाम क्या है? ट्रायंगल. स्मॉलेस्ट रेगुलर पॉलीगन क्या है? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल मींस all sides, a triangle whose all sides are equal. Regular means all sides and all angles are equal. That polygon is called regular polygon. We further discuss. Now, classification of polygons. First we have to make a 3 columns. Number of sides or vertices. In any polygon or in any shape, number of sides and number of vertices are same. Number of sides or vertices, classification and sample figure. कैसा वो फिगर दिखता है? We under the polygons we can't take one or two sides because with the help of one and two sides we can't draw a polygon that is not closed. So we will start from number of sides 3. Three-sided figure called triangle and the shape of triangle is this. We take 4 sides and 4-side figure classification under quadrilaterals and shape of that figure is like this. Number of sides 5 called pentagon and shape of pentagon is this. Number of sides 6, classification name hexagon and shape of hexagon 6-sided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7-sided called heptagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of sides 8 called octagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the shapes of octagon. Now, number of sides 9. Name is nonagon. And the sample figure you can draw anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Number of sides 10 is called decagon starts from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This way you can proceed, and n number of sides you have to find, and the name of n number of sides is n-gon, and the shape is whatever sides is given. Now important topic, convex polygon and concave polygon. What is the difference between convex polygon and concave polygon? Convex polygon, a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree. We are talking about interior angle of polygon. Interior angle means अंदर के angle. A polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree is called convex polygon. These are the interior angle of a figure. These are less than 180 degree. This shape is called convex polygon. Now, concave polygon, a polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree. At least one angle is more than 180 degree. Interior angle, कम से कम एक एंगल 180 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए तभी कॉनकेव. केव मीन्स गुफा, गुफा की तरह बना हुआ, कॉल्ड कॉनकेव पॉलीगन. इन दिस फिगर दिस वन एंगल इज ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. बोलोगे सर ये तो आपने एक फिगर बना दिया, और एक फिगर बनाइए जिसका दो एंगल क्या होना चाहिए, ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए, मोर देन 180. ओके फाइन, और एक बना देते हैं. This one is also a polygon whose this angle and this angle are greater than 180 degree. So concave polygon, this type of figure is called concave polygon. Now second important point, regular polygon and irregular polygon. This concept we use in every class. What is regular polygon? A polygon having all sides and all angles are equal. A polygon having all sides and all angles are equal is called regular polygon. First condition, polygon होना चाहिए. You know what is polygon? A simple closed curve which is made up of line segment. लाइन सेगमेंट का बना होना चाहिए, सिंपल क्लोज कर्व होना चाहिए. सिंपल मतलब क्रॉस नहीं होना चाहिए. नाउ फर्स्ट रेगुलर पॉलीगन नेम इज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. यू नो व्हाट इज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल? ऑल साइड्स एंड ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल इन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. अ ट्रायंगल whose all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. A four-sided figure square whose all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Scalar triangle and isosceles triangle are not regular polygon. Rectangle are not regular polygon. Kite are not regular polygon. Now, irregular polygon, a polygon which are not regular, जो रेगुलर ना हो, मतलब जिसके all sides equal ना हो, all angles equal नहीं हो, वैसे polygon क्या कहलाएंगे? irregular polygon. A polygon which are not regular is called irregular polygon. Example, rectangle. All sides are not equal. All angles are equal, but all sides are not equal. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. All angles are equal, but all sides are not equal. So this is in category of irregular polygon. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So this is in category of irregular polygon. We already learned what is diagonal, but concept of diagonal in this chapter is C. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. Non-consecutive vertices means in this figure P, Q, R, S. P, R are non-consecutive vertices. Q, S are non-consecutive vertices. Alternate vertices. एक को छोड़ करके दूसरा. So we connect from P to R and from Q to S. In this figure, number of diagonals are 2. In this figure, this is pentagon. Non-consecutive vertices of A is C and D. So you can draw from here to here. Non-consecutive vertices of B is E and D. C का non-consecutive vertices A and E ज्वाइन कर दी. What is the non-consecutive vertices of D? A and B already joined. What is the non-consecutive vertices of E? C and B already joined. So number of diagonals in this figure is equals to 5. In square or rectangle, number of diagonals is 2. In pentagon, 5. If asked in octagon, in nonagon, in decagon, how many diagonals are there? You can't draw. ड्रॉ करके उसको काउंट करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्टीज होगा. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स, वन फॉर्मूला इज देयर. नंबर ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला, number of diagonals in n-sided polygon is equals to n into n minus 3 upon 2. This is a formula of n-sided polygon, where n is number of sides, where n is number of sides. Now cross check for this figure. Number of side is 4. 4 into 4 minus 3 gives 1. 4 upon 2 gives 2. Now number of side is 5. N equals to 5. Put this in this formula. 5 into 5 minus 3 upon 2. What we get? 5 into 2 upon 2. We get 5. So this formula for finding number of diagonals in n-sided polygon is equals to n into n minus 3 upon 2. Remember this formula. Maximum question will solve in 3.1 with the help of this formula. So you remember this formula, n into n minus 3 upon 2 for finding number of diagonals. एंड आज के जो लेक्चर में जो भी चीजें पढ़ाई गई वो बहुत ही बेसिक थी, लाइक कर्व्स, ओपन कर्व एंड क्लोज कर्व, सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व, व्हाट इज पॉलीगन, कॉनकेव पॉलीगन, कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन, रेगुलर पॉलीगन, इरेगुलर पॉलीगन एंड डायगोनल्स. You revise this theory part. We will continue in next lecture from properties or formulas for n-sided polygon. Thank you.